Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today we're looking at the Ferrari Magazine number 19. This is the GTO 250 GTO. So we'll have a look at the model at the end of the video in more detail. Also put it on the turntable, but we're going to have a look through the magazine like I do with most of these magazines. Now this particular one, I think my magazine got a little scuffed up moving around or in the post, but all the important stuff is nice inside. So inside this issue we're looking at the single seaters, the Surtees record-breaking F1 158, the 250 GTO 1962, which is what we've actually got here, and the Ferrari 1990 F1 Challenger, the 641. And then the legend of the racetrack is the poster, the 250. I haven't taken any of the posters out of these. Now, I will leave these pages here so you can actually read them, but you'll have to hit pause. I'm not going to read all of these things in detail. I just want to show you what you actually get. Historic pairing, 1956. Englishman and John Surtees secured the 500cc World Motorcycle Championship. 8 years later, behind the wheel of Ferrari F1 158, he won the Formula One Drivers' Championship, thereby making history by becoming the first man to be world champion on 2 and 4 wheels. Good on him. Look at that, 64, German GP first, Italian GP first, Dutch GP second, US second, Mexican second, and British third. I guess that made him the champion. Get enough points. And we've got some couple pages here. Tubular chassis and fuel injection from 1964. Nice. 1964 German Grand Prix. 2nd on August 1964, John Surtees won at the Nürburgring circuit ahead of the Graham Hill and Lorenzo Bandini. He raced at an average speed of 155 kilometers per hour or 96 mile an hour and a little bit. So this has a 90-degree V8, 1.48 9.2, so the 1.5 litre or under, 210 brake horsepower, 11,000 RPM. Nice. 468 kilograms. Not much to it, is there? But this is the car we're looking for. GTO is one of the most famous of all Ferraris, thanks principally to a success on the racetrack. It secured the World Championship from 62 to 64 and was also driven to victory by a number of private competitors. GTO's dynamic bodywork was designed by a trio of designers that included legendary Giotto Bizzarini. Man, I'm terrible with names. I got a 118 scale 250 GTO as well. So not the only one I've got. Got a bunch of 250s in the Ferrari collection of all different types and years. Several convertibles. The Great Ferraris, 250 GTO, all-conquering, enduring racer. It's a nice-looking car too. Here we go, we've got a poster. Ferrari GTO, it doesn't say where it's at. Rear air intakes. More like let's go out, I would imagine. 2 air intakes are fitted in the rear section of the body, just behind the wheel arch. These were essentially for dissipating the heat from the rear brakes, while at the same time contributing to the car's elegant, determined style, and absolutely consistent with the philosophy of the model. Yeah, okay. So you can actually fold that one out to the back of the poster. See if I can get that. Nice. So this had a front-mounted longitudinal 60-degree V12. Very nice. Just under 3 litre. 280 brake horsepower, 7,400 RPM. 280 kilometre per hour or 174 mile an hour top speed. 33 Series 1s were produced. Worth an absolute fortune. Almost unbeatable. Quite a few first in class overall and overall in a lot of those classes. Nice. Season of potential. After a few teething problems, the Ferrari 641 was prepared for the 1990 F1 Championship with the reigning champion Alan Prost at the wheel, but though the car was competitive, race incidents put paid to its title chances. Yeah, I think I've got a large-scale vehicle of this too, the 1990. Yeah. It's in a weird scale, though. It says it's actually a 120 scale. So it's not 118, it's not 124, it's a 120. And I think it actually came from Shell. Is it Shell was a huge sponsor of this? Or maybe it was the year after. I'll have to go and have a look at that. Don't think I've shown that on my channel yet. Engine, this is a rear 65-degree V12, 3.497.96 cc, 665 brake horsepower. No known top speed, and obviously produced in 1990. Nice. Title that got away. Yeah, Prost and Mansell. That's a lot of wins. All right, next magazine, we're back to the GTB 4 Daytona model. All right, when I say back, I'm not going for the Formula 1 yet. Taking the top 3 places in the 1967 Le Mans 24-hour race was an exceptional feat for Ferrari. To commemorate the event, and the marquee developed a GTB 4 Daytona, a model that would prove to be one of the most exhilarating sports car ever made. Have a look at that one in the next week's magazine. Let's have a closer look at this particular vehicle. So I will show it on a turntable, but we'll have a little bit more of a look in here. You see there's a silver center, what would that actually be? The console? Yep. And there's also silver down the back. So it's not all black. We have a black dash. See if we can see through. Well, we actually have a silver on the dash, but it's an actual black top of the dash. Oh, wow, that's really hard to see. We have a divide on the window there, so that'll be the slide windows. It's a very nice vehicle. We do have an indicator painted on there, but I notice there's no Ferrari badge on the side of this. There is one on the front. Often cars have them on the side. Oh no, I've actually just pulled that off. That's annoying. I'll have to glue that back on. That's my bonnet latch. Yeah. It's not broken. It's just come out of the hole. When I was cleaning this, because I gave it a bit of a clean before, I'm going to have to actually repair that. I'll put that there for now. So it's just come out of there. So the little silver bits, even my cleaning cloth got caught on the windscreen wipers, which do kind of move around. I do like a car with a lot of detail. Silver fuel cap as well. The rear end, very nice looking, no license plate. The 4 exhausts. These Ferraris are actually really well made. I'm glad I got this collection. They unfortunately just kind of stopped in the 80s. The numbers are like got up into the 80s, and then all of a sudden that was it. We didn't get told that they stopped. They just stopped. I will repair that and put it on the turntable. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We're back with magazine number 20 next week, the Daytona. Have a good day. Cheers. Bye.